two sides of the coin. When it hits July, sometimes it's full panic mode about the summer slowdown. And so I see entrepreneurs trying to escape that or beat it by working harder, picking up all the subbing opportunities possible, posting twice as much, launching random offers, hustling to make up for what you might think you're losing if your revenue starts to trickle and slow. And what happens then is you end up exhausted, your family's annoyed, and ironically, your business just doesn't grow quick in the moment with all that hustle sometimes anyways. Or version two, it's July and you've completely checked out of your business. So no posts, no emails, no planning. And you tell yourself you deserve the break. And you do. But here's the thing. If you're in business, you want to still have your doors open for business. Otherwise, it's like a plane lifting off. You have to relaunch, which requires a whole bunch of energy and momentum and output. Plus, to your audience, it breaks that trust with them.